LOLStar Halloween Decorations, 3-pack of spooky window lights. Elevate your Halloween atmosphere. Transform your Halloween decor with our delightful set of 3 LED window lights, featuring an orange pumpkin, a white ghost, and a purple bat. Each ornament measures 7.87 inches in diameter, with a 17.72-inch string drop, making them eye-catching yet perfectly sized for your windows. Efficient timer function and spooky slow fade. Our lights come with a built-in timer, activating for 6 hours of enchanting illumination followed by 18 hours of darkness. This energy-efficient feature ensures your decorations shine during peak hours. Plus, the slow fade mode adds an eerie ambience, enhancing the spooky vibe of your space. Battery-operated convenience. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, these LED lights offer a reliable and low-energy solution for your Halloween decor. Enjoy the freedom of placement without worrying about cords or outlets. Easy installation. Installing our Halloween lights is a breeze. With included suction cups and self-adhesive hooks, you can easily mount them on various surfaces like glass, doors, and cabinets. For an even stronger hold, simply add a drop of water to the suction cup. Versatile. Indoor use. Perfect for any indoor setting, our Halloween window lights can adorn your bedroom, walls, doors, balconies, decks, and more. Bring a festive flair to any space this Halloween season.